Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Locate the seam along the key fob edge and find the small notch near the key ring. Use a flat coin or thin flathead screwdriver positioned in the notch. Press gently but firmly. Twist the coin a quarter turn so the plastic halves separate slightly. This relieves the snap tabs. Once the seam opens a little, slide the tool along the edge to keep the gap. Move deliberately to avoid cracking the plastic. Don't force it. Now that the gap exists, work the tool around the perimeter to disengage each clip one at a time so they don't snap. Once most clips are loose, lift the top cover gently with fingers. If it resists, reinsert the tool and free remaining tabs. Pay attention to the battery orientation and any tiny spacers or springs. These must return exactly as found. If a key blade is present, remove it first from its slot. Keep parts organized on the cloth so reassembly is simple. With the fob open, remove the old CR 2032 battery using a plastic tool or tweezers to avoid shorting. Clean contact surfaces with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol if dirty. Allow to dry. Place the new battery in the same orientation as the old one and press it fully into the holder so the contacts meet. Align the two plastic halves and press evenly until all clips snap back. Finally, test each button.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.